So this is a video to directly communicate with anyone of a entrepreneurial mind. You want to build something, you want to add value to the world. And the world's in a bit of a chaotic place right now. There's always lots of changes politically, economically, socially, mentally, physically, in every shape, in every way, in every form. But first, let me introduce myself. Hello there. My name is Jake Scanlon. I'm the lead educator here at the Hashpower Academy. This is where we learn about everything and anything to do with Bitcoin and its underlying network of countless different topics. Because Bitcoin is not just money on the internet and a blockchain, but all these other different components that you need to learn first. So module 1 starts with energy and the carbon conversation of the different types of power that we produce. Module 2 is about grids and the electricity that we all consume, all need for everything, and hardware and heat. You've had your laptop on your lap before, it gets warm. And so all of that electricity that these computers consume, whether it's a tiny little device or a large ASIC specific machine that mines Bitcoin, they produce a lot of heat and that adds a lot of value to the world. Or the compute power these computers are doing, all of that processing power is the electricity essentially getting exported and sent into the internet, uploaded, shall we say. And what gets downloaded? Bitcoin into your wallet through the blockchain, a storage system for data, because transactions and money is just data. And Bitcoin is a specific type of data. I grew up playing video games, and every game had some form of in-game currency. And people of a younger age have a intrinsic understanding to digital value. People of an older generation might prefer to use cash because that's what they grew up with. That's what they know. They have deep intrinsic connection to the physical world. But people of a younger age, we have this understanding and connection to things being digital and being able to assign value to them. And that's what Bitcoin is. It's a form of currency that is natively living on the internet, but it requires electricity to produce it through compute power. And compute power has a lot of parallels, particularly AI. So everything you hear about AI has the same stack of requirements as Bitcoin. It costs a lot of money to produce AI, GPUs, computing, microchips, and all the bits of technology associated to it. The compute power in of itself and the intelligence and software and code behind it, but also AI compute consumes a lot of energy. And these different parallels transcend across to everyday life. A farmer needs a lot of energy, a lot of technology, and converts what good he produces into money. And so what I'm trying to say with making all of these analogies and comparisons is Bitcoin is a form of money that aligns the physical world and the digital world back as one. That a lot of us are so disconnected, say, on one side of the coin or the other. We're either really in the physical world or really in the digital world, and our life is sort of split between the two. And it's not woo-woo to say that Bitcoin, I believe, is going to have some sort of realignment, bringing humanity back towards a path in which both of these worlds live together, because it's a currency system based on energy. The energy is not wasted by consuming it Bitcoin mining. It secures the blocks of the blockchain. And so it's a storage system for information on money that cannot be penetrated. And if you want to penetrate the system and break it, you get paid for doing it in the process. That's Bitcoin mining, a different way to see it. So if you want to delve into any of these subjects and every one of these subjects, this is the YouTube channel for you. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like, subscribe, ask me any questions in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Goodbye.